3 funnels to grow your digital marketing agency. If you are an agency owner and if you desire growth, then this is the video. So do stay till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It will greatly help me reach out to more and more people and help them grow their business. So without further ado, let's start the show. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. I'm your host Anthony. We are entering episode number 42 of the Becoming Alpha Marketer show. This is your go-to show to become a better marketer, save time and earn more money. So there are 3 types of funnels and I will explain them to you one by one. So what is the first funnel? The first funnel is called the case study plus testimonial funnel. So if you're an agency, you already got clients and you got some results for them, that result is super powerful. You need to make the most of it. So what you can do is you can create a video, and in that video you can explain how exactly you got results for that particular client. Okay, you can break down the step by steps what you did and how you got result. Once you have that ready, also get a testimonial from the client and how happy they are with your services. Okay, now this can become an asset and a sales pitch. What you can do is you can run advertisement to this particular content. When people watch this content, they get the belief, the trust that you can also solve their problem. Okay, so at the end of that particular video, you can ask if they want, if the client who is watching the video, if they also want similar results, they can apply to work with you. Okay, so it's a very simple thing called the case study plus testimonial funnel. Works brilliantly well if you already have results. Okay, so what if you don't have a result, you don't have case studies, you are just starting new? Now in that case, especially for the new freelancers, new digital marketing agency owners, we have something called as the free audit plus free trial funnel. Okay, so what is this? You will simply run ads, and in that ad you can have a video where you come on camera and say, hey, this is so and so and I specialize in so and so industry and I can offer a free audit of your funnel. If you're struggling to grow your business, then I can do an audit and find out exactly where you are missing out. Now, let me explain this to you with a sample pitch. Now, if I am a digital marketing agency owner and I specialize in helping music teachers to get more online course sales, if that is my niche, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call out that particular business owner. So here is a sample pitch for you. Hi, if you are a music teacher and want to grow your online course business, get more admissions, then I can help. Hi, I am Anthony and I specialize in getting sales for music teachers online. And if you are struggling to grow your business, if you're stuck in your business and you want help, then I can do a free audit of your music business. I can break down your ads, your webinars, your funnels, everything, and for free. All you have to do is simply click on the link below and book a call with me. Right? It's going to be a simple Zoom meeting where we can discuss about our business. I will also go through your funnel, give you ideas. If you like it, it's free. Okay, it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything. If you like my ideas, if you like my observations about your business and strategies to grow your business, then we can discuss the next step. If it doesn't work out, no problem. I will walk away saying that I met a new interesting business. You can walk away with loads and loads of free advice on how to grow your business. So it's very simple. Click on the link below and book a call with me and I will do a free audit. Okay. Now this is the pitch. Now once the free audit is done, if the client is still not convinced because they're skeptical that you are new, you are a fresher and they need more confidence, then you can say, you know what, no problem. I can do a free 15-day trial. Okay, you get access to their accounts. 15 days you got, make some changes in their account, maybe simple ad structure, simple ad copy change, simple images changes. All these things can give some instant result for the client. Now in 15 days, if you're able to impress them, then ask them for a paid commitment. That's how you get a client if you don't have a portfolio for yourself. Okay, so this brings us to the third funnel, the free value lead magnet funnel. This is slightly time consuming to create, but the quality of lead this brings is amazing. I personally use this funnel for my business. So what are you doing here? You are creating some content which is very useful for the target audience. Okay, for example, in my case, I am in the business of helping e-commerce agency owners. Okay, so I've created a 4-step e-commerce framework to get $1 million in sales every single month. So this framework is what I give it for free. Okay, it's a free training. So since it is about e-commerce and it attracts e-commerce business owners to watch that particular training, where I show the 4-step framework that we use for our clients. I also mix in some of the case studies, some results that we got with that framework. And then at the end, we actually ask them if they want such results, and if they want us to work for them and help them in getting those results, then they can book a call with us. Okay, so again, simple strategy: run an ad, take them to a page where we have this educational content, they watch the content, and with that content we automatically come across as an authority. It builds trust, and at the end we make an offer saying that if they want, they can take our services, and they are asked to fill an application form. They fill the application form, and then if they qualify, we get on a call with them and we close. So very powerful funnel. Now this leads us to the next question. Are you a digital marketing agency owner, and do you want to build a funnel like whatever I discussed today? Okay, so we call this the high ticket client generation machine. Okay, it starts with an ad, content plus sales pitch, application, and then high ticket close. Okay, if you want to build this for your business and take the fastest route to become a 6-figure to 7-figure agency, then I invite you for a free training. All you have to do is go to this link, alphamarketer.in/machine. Now in this training, I'm gonna give you an overview of how exactly we build this machine for ourselves. We will talk about the ads we are running, we talk about the content we are giving, how people are asked to fill an application form, everything we will cover step by step. It's gonna change the way you think about generating sales for your agency. So I hope you will make use of this training, and if you like the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. It will greatly help me reach out to more and more people, and I hope you will take this training, and I will meet you inside this free training. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.